Heads is the call. Tails was Tails was the call and they have won it. So what have you decided? Fielding. So MGM Blasters have decided to field first. That's in the naughty at 40 age category. That's a wide delivery. That's a wide given there by the umpire. Coming back to the game, we have Vatsal on strike. Vatsal once again a wide one. He has put the pressure on the bowler now. Pawan, jersey number 18 with his next delivery. Once again another wide. And you can see Tushar going up, trying to cheer him, trying to motivate him. Once again we have Pawan facing its Vatsal, the explosive left-handed batsman. You've seen these two playing a very fierce innings in the first game. Here goes Pawan. Ooh, that's another wide delivery given there by the umpire. Come on, make some noise, boys. You all need it. You all need to motivate your batsmen. Come on, I can't hear it from you all. Where is Karan? Where is Karan? That's a flat shot there. Equally well fielded. That could have been a catch. But well tried there by jersey number 7. That was fast for you. Once again we have Vatsal. This time respecting the bowler. Another dot delivery there. So good comeback there by Pawan. That's a wide delivery once again. Once again we have Vatsal. So we have Pawan now to bowl the next ball. Finding an inside edge, another dot delivery. Here goes Pawan, this time once again respecting the batsman there. Once again a dot delivery. जैसे कि मैंने बोला था तुषार ने उनको जो वर्ड शेयर किया है, he's bowling as per that. This time another dot delivery there. So a good comeback there by Pawan.
को बोला था तूने जो भेजा हुआ है इसको फॉरवर्ड कर वापस देता हूँ रिमाइंडर वो घर पे ही गया.
So we have Vivek now, jersey number 16, another player to watch out for the dominators. Also the player to watch out. We have Michael now, also called by that famous name of Mikey. Let us see what can Mikey do. Here goes Vivek with the first delivery. Mikey facing. Goes on the back foot. Couldn't connect it this time. Another dot deliveries. Ooh. That was a quick throw. They could have. So once again now we are witnessing the toss. That's Aroma Stallions and MGM Blasters. So Aroma will call. Heads is a call. Heads it is. So they have decided to bowl first. So that's it. That is Vatsal for you. What a shot there. Finding his form once again. That's a good news for his team, I would say. Now he has put the bowler back under pressure. Let us see. So the score moves to 14 with that 6. Once again, Vatsal. That's on the leg side. Pawan was fumbling and jumbling with that. A single taken. With this, the score moves to 15. We have Mikey on strike now. That's a wide delivery there. Pawan Vivek will have to bowl that once again. Once again, Mikey. Wanted to go up, but couldn't capitalize on it. Another dot delivery, so the score remains to 15. So we have found a car key. If anyone has lost a car, that was quick, meet. That was very quick.
भाई इंग्लिश में कमेंट्री करेंगे, हिंदी में मूड नहीं है इसका।
So now we have Vatsal on strike once again. Bowler, jersey number 1, Swapnil for you. Let us see what can Vatsal do. Finds an outside edge. Another dot delivery there. और देख सकते हो यहाँ पे dominators. They are dominating the game right now. Swapnil with his next delivery. Beautiful shot down the ground. Equally well fielded there. Once again, that was Fez. Good quick reflexes there by Fez. Diving to his left. Saving 4 runs for his team. Resulting in another dot delivery. Once again, we have Vatsal. In the air, the roof comes in the way. That's a direct hit. They've gone up for an appeal. We are waiting for the umpire's decision. Umpire says not out. Now we have Mikey on strike. Couldn't connect that. Wanted to find the net, but only a single. Once again, we have Vatsal on strike. That's in the air, played with soft hands, and that is Tushar with a catch. So the first wicket there down for Itrani Ace in the form of Vatsal. Another wicket. That was the first wicket, I would say. Once again, that was Tushar. I told you, the man to watch out for. So we have Atit now on strike after the fall of the first wicket. We have Swapnil to bowl the next delivery. That and they've gone for the second one. That was some good running then. They could have taken the third one, but Michael didn't want that. So now the next over, we are waiting to see who's going to bowl the next over for the Dominators. So we have jersey number 23, Aniket, the tall man for Dominators. On strike we have Michael, also called as Mikey. Aniket, the man. So the score is 20 at the end of the third over. We have jersey number 23, Aniket for Dominators. Here goes Aniket and a no ball, so they win a free hit. So they win a free hit. Mikey not happy with himself, disappointed. You can see Vikram guiding his team from behind. Aniket with the next delivery. And once again, and you can see that frustration. That's a no delivery once again. So free hit has been awarded once again for the batting team. So that's a free hit awarded to Mikey. And unfortunately couldn't make use of that. So good comeback there by Aniket. Once again we have Mikey on strike now. That's a no delivery, so another free hit. Another free hit there awarded for the batting team, Ithrani Ace. They need to change their gears now. They definitely need to change their gears.
बॉडी भी गर्म है, पानी चलता है.
If they play with the same strike rate, it's going to be very difficult. Down the track. So that was a free hit as well. Goes on the back foot. And another wicket taken there. So we have the tall man for Ithrani Ace now. It's Pratik. So two tall men now facing each other. That's a no delivery. So free hit has been awarded now. Coming down the track, unfortunately couldn't connect that. Just a single there. Now we have Mikey on strike. A very interesting game. The dominators still dominating this game, I would say. Once again, Michael not finding the middle of the bat. The fans are disappointed, bro. So we have Fez to bowl the next over for the Dominators. You can see the Dominators dominating this game. Here we have Fez facing as Michael. That's a no ball, so a free hit has been awarded there. This time, that's a cracker. So we have Pratik. So we have Pratik on strike now. Fez to bowl the next ball. That's in the air, unfortunately. That roof coming in between once again. That's in the air, and this time it's Michael. What a shot. What a shot there by Michael. Finally connects one. Once again, now Fez. Once again, this time. He's gone there for the second. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So it's toss time. So Turf Addicts is going to call. Heads is the call. Heads it is. So they have taken the decision to field first. So another wicket down there for Ithrani Ace, and that's Pratik losing his wicket. And in comes the captain, Karan, jersey number 17.
डिक्लेयर कर सकता है अभी टीम में बोल देना.
So the score moves to 38.
बहुत अनइवन है.
We have Karan, the captain. Let us see what can Karan do now. He needs to play with the fifth gear. Siddesh to bowl the next over for his team, the Dominators. Karan going on the leg side, and that's a boundary. And what a shot there. That's the first boundary. So a positive start there for this over. Hoping to carry the same. All hopes on Karan now for his team. The score moves to 42 with that boundary. Siddesh with the next ball. That's a wide delivery given there by the Empire. That was a wide delivery. So the score moves to 43 with that extra. Siddesh to bowl the next one now. Still 5 balls left. That's in the air on the offside. Once again the roof coming. They're coming back for the second. They've thrown at the keeper's end. And they have taken 2 runs. The fielder is disappointed. The fielder is not happy with himself. That was Aman. नाखुश अपने आप से. फिर से Karan on strike now. Once again couldn't connect that. And a single taken there. Once again some cheeky singles there. We have Mikey on strike now. A short ball that's in the air. What a take there. That's a no ball. That's a no ball. So I was quite pumped up as well for that. So we have Karan now once again on strike. Coming down the track, and what a shot. And a wicket lodged there. They didn't have any other option there. So it's we have Ganesh now who's at the non-striker's end. Karan at the striker's end. Once again coming halfway down the pitch. They wanted the second there, but Karan says no. 48. They need a hit over here. They need a good hit from the middle of the bat, I would say. Here goes Siddesh, all set to bowl the next delivery. Coming down the track, playing it far from the batsman. I guess Siddesh seen him coming down the track already. So just a single less. So with this, the target for Dominators is 50. So the target for Dominators is 50 over here. Let us see, can Dominators defend, chase this, or is Itrani who's going to defend this? So the target for Dominators is 50, 5-0. Let us see, can they chase this, or will the Itrani ace defend this? We're going to witness the second innings very soon. So it's Vikram who's going to open the innings, I guess. So we have the opening pair, that is jersey number 17 Aman and jersey number 9 Tushar, the man to watch out for. Dominators.
महेंद्र में से क्या
Also not forgetting jersey number 17 Karan, the man to watch out for his team. A very good game this is.
बैटिंग में भी तो क्या पिछले
You can see
लास्ट लास्ट ईयर सारे वो इसकी शानों की टूर्नामेंट
so we have Aman who's taken the strike for Dominators. We have jersey number 18, the tall man to start the bowling attack. Ejaz checking on with the ball. Having a word with the umpire.
येलो वाली
येलो वाले
खेलने देगा
हाँ नहीं
So here we go. Ejaz with the first delivery.
दरअसल बॉल
And you can see Pratik putting in everything, putting his blood, his sweat just for that victory. We have Tushar on strike, a very experienced batsman. This time respecting the ball over there, that was Tushar. Once again Ejaz. And that was a no ball. So a free hit has been awarded to the batting team. We have Tushar on strike. Cuts it on the off. A wide throw there. We have Ejaz now once again facing his Aman. Here goes Ejaz. Oh, what a beautiful delivery there. That was quick. Golden arm. Once again we have Ejaz to continue the next ball. That is down the track. Beautiful taken there by the wicket keeper. Umpire signals no as well. So that was very close. So life given there. Here goes Ejaz once again. A free hit awarded to the batting team. Pulling it wide. Another no. So the free hit is still valid here. Let us see what can Aman do for his team. That's another no. So once again the free hit. Here goes Ejaz. What a ball there. That was so once again it's toss time. It is toss time between Singha Warriors and Helios. Tails is the call. The coin is going outside the ground. Heads it is Warriors, and that was quite quick. So they won the toss and they've decided to bowl first. Coming back to the game between Ithrani Ace and Dominators. So एक ओवर की समाप्ति पे स्कोर यहाँ पे 7 रन. We have this unique jersey number 2414, Tosif. Once again facing is Aman. Let us see what can they do. Here goes Tosif with the first delivery. That's in the air. Once again the net. You seen the Roof saving many sixes in the first innings as well. Tosif अगली गेंद लेके तुषार फेस करेंगे काफी क्लोज लेग स्टंप को किस करते हुए वाइड. So that's a wide there given by the umpire. Tosif with his next delivery. Facing is Tushar. So that's the heat of the movement there. That finding an outside edge over the fielder over there on the slip. Once again, look at the smile. On the leg side, beautiful ball there once again by Tosif. We have Aman now facing. Once again keeping it away from the right-handed batsman. Another dot delivery, so you can see the bowling performance. And he's cleaned up. The first wicket for Dominators in the form of Aman. And we have Vikram now, jersey number 11. So you could see good bowling performance there by Itrani Ace, not leaving anything. So good bowling there by Tosif, getting his team back. So we have Vikram on strike now. So there's a change in the field over there. Field में यहाँ पे परिवर्तन. They have called their slip up towards the gully. That's in the air. Once again the Roof coming in the way. The Roof has saved almost a dozen of sixes in this game. So now we have Ganesh to bowl the next over. Once again you can see there's a change in the field. Mikey has come down. Jersey number 8 going on top. We have Ganesh to bowl the next over for the Aces. That's a beautiful shot there on the leg side. But we'll have to settle for a single there. Once again we have jersey number 11, Vikram. That was a good delivery, but far away from the leg stump. Ganesh here with the next delivery. That's a miss hit in the air. And another wicket down there. Another wicket down in the form of Vikram, finding that outside edge. So we have Krishit now. So once again we have Ganesh facing his Krishit, the first left-handed batsman for Dominators. Here goes Ganesh. What a ball there! What a ball! Beautiful ball there by Ganesh. Cleaning up. And now we have Fez. Also Ganesh is on a hat-trick. Can he be the first bowler to take the first hat-trick of this beautiful tournament organized by Backyard? The Unity Cup.
Atit.
So we have Fez now. Ganesh. Oh, Didn't want to give away his wicket. That was sensible batting there by Fez. Respecting the ball over there. Just placing it. Here goes Ganesh with the next delivery. That's in the air. What a shot there. And there's some miscommunication. Could be close. But the batsman made his ground over there. So just a single. Once again we have Ganesh. Facing is Tushar. Once again a single taken there by both the batsmen of Dominators. That is Tushar and Fez. So that was a clinical performance there by Ganesh. Now it's the job of the other boys to do it. Can Karan take his team to the winning line, or is it the batsmen Tushar and Fez? They were dominating the game in the first innings. We have Karan now. Facing is Tushar. Once again. That's in the air. Once again the roof.
बहुत अच्छा करण, बहुत अच्छा है.
The batting team is definitely not happy with that. Some sledging there behind. And just a single there.
करण बहुत बढ़िया है करण.
So we have Fez there. You can see that both the teams under pressure. Ooh, what a ball there.
बॉलिंग. बहुत
He
बढ़िया,
wasn't-
बहुत बढ़िया, 2 बार अच्छा.
He wasn't expecting that. Fez was not expecting that delivery. Once again a miss hit there on the leg side. Just a single there, so another tight over.
चल एक अच्छा है.
Another tight over there. Here goes Karan. This time, and another.
Out है.
They've gone up for an appeal. They've gone up for an appeal. So guys, I guess the batting team is not happy with this roof. Definitely, if that's the best field of this tournament, it should go to the roof. Sunny, please make a note of that. Sunny, sir. Yes, some sledging there. That is what a team needs. Let us see how does the bowler reacts to this. We have Fez on strike. What a ball there. Another delivery there. This time couldn't connect it once again. That was Ajaz on the field there. Good fielding there by Ajaz, saving 3 runs for his team. I would say 3 crucial runs. And now we have Tushar once again on strike. Oh, that was low this time, keeping it low. Good bowling there. That's in the air this time. Once again the roof, and that could have been a run out, but the fielder that's in the air, and that's a boundary given there by the umpire. So this game is not yet over. We are witnessing this beautiful game, the second innings, Dominators chasing the target of 50. Here goes Abhi with the next delivery down the track on the leg side. Just a single there. That was Karan going and making. So it's 6 balls, 30 runs needed now.
जरा बात करीना होने नहीं आ रहे थोड़ा ढील हो जाए यार.
छह बॉल 30 रन की जरूरत यहाँ पे. I'm sure both of them are under pressure, the bowler as well as the batsman. Have to wait and watch who's going to handle this pressure. And you can see some unorthodox field set there. What a ball there! The wicket keeper misses it, but they have taken a single. They have taken a single there. So golden opportunity missed there by the wicket keeper. Could have been a stump out. Here goes the next delivery, putting it down the bat but couldn't connect it. So a dot ball there. Once again, jersey number 15, Rohit. We have Fez now. Once again trying to swing his bat and the umpire says a wide delivery. We'll have to bowl that again. So once again there's a change in the field. Tausif coming behind, sending Mikey ahead. So they have removed the face over there.
सिंगल डबल का काम नहीं है अभी.
Jersey number 15, that's Rohit. And that's a no ball. So a free hit has been awarded to the batting team. Thank you, umpire. This is pressure. This is pressure. Pressure equally on both of them. He's not happy. The bowler is not happy with himself. 3 back-to-back extras. The free hit is still valid. Going on the back foot. And that's a 6. Three balls, 17 runs needed. All 3. He has to clear all 3 outside the boundary line. He just has one thing to do now. Stand and deliver. Here goes the first one. That's a boundary. That's a boundary. So again the luck.
अरे आगे डाल ना थोड़ा. आगे डाल थोड़ा. कितना शॉट डाला है.
And that was Ganesh Singh. Chaak khalle tar chaltil. Going on the back foot and deceived there by the slow. And look at Rohit. And the pressure was on Rohit, but he has handled it quite beautifully. Still 1 ball left. Yes, come on, make some noise. Ask for that no ball. That's a wide. Goes on the back foot and there you go. Icharani is getting better of dominators here. What a game we witnessed there.
तावड़े पांडे का और उसका
तुषार का बहुत वो हो गया वेस्ट 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 बहुत
बॉडी लैंग्वेज